All right, if you're over 50 and you're looking for a little side hustle to make a little extra income, look into affiliate links. I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why I really like these. This is one of the best ways to get started. The great thing about affiliate links is almost everybody's heard of them now, and just about every brand has some kind of affiliate program. Now, if you don't know what that is, basically you sign up with a brand like Amazon. They give you links to their products. You can put those in your videos or blog. If people click on those links and they purchase the product, you get a commission. And the size of those commissions depend on the company you're working with. A lot of things on Amazon only pay about a 4 to 5% commission, while others pay $50 to $100, even more. Now here's a few reasons why I really like using them to generate some extra income. Number one is there's no inventory. If you have a physical product like these, my hydroponics, I sell those, you have to physically get these or make these. You have to pack them up and you have to ship them. You have to think about all the supplies you have to get besides your product itself. You have to get shipping supplies, packing tape, packing materials, boxes, labels, printer ink. You can do that, but it's a lot of work to try and scale it. Now with affiliate links, you don't have to buy any products. You can just talk about them. Now of course it is easier to use if you have a product to show. So that's why I love Amazon, is because we order a lot of stuff from Amazon. Like my wife has this little resin mold. So if we take that and we make a video on it, then we can find the link for that product and put it in her video. So you can use just about anything you get on Amazon. So just look around your house right now. There's probably a lot of things that you can make a video about. Another thing I like about affiliate links is it works when you don't. Once you make a video or write a blog post and you put the links up, it's up for good. If somebody decides to watch your video at 4 o'clock in the morning and clicks on the link and buys it, you don't have to be there for that. It's not like making sales calls all day. We have to constantly talk to people. You can go on vacation and people can still be clicking your links. So it's a little bit of work to get set up initially, but after that it works 24 hours a day. Another reason why I like it is you can work with products you love. With Amazon you can order just about anything. So you don't have to take a bunch of products you don't like and just do videos on them. I get offers for brand deals almost every day, and 90% of them don't have anything to do with my channel. Now instead of just taking a bunch of products and making videos and dropping a bunch of links, I actually need stuff to work in my garden. I like buying gardening supplies through Amazon. I don't have to go anywhere and it's at my doorstep in 1 or 2 days. Now when I show those things in my videos, all I have to do is put a link to those products. It's that easy. So pretty much all of this stuff I like working with, the things that I know work for me, I'm proud to put a link out because I know that it will work for my viewers. That all helps with transparency and honesty. Goes a long way. Another thing I like about it is that it's perpetual. It goes on and on. Once you initially set it up, it could be going on for years. I've got people who click on links from videos that I made 3 or 4 years ago. Then if the link still works and the company's still around, you still get a commission on it. So as you build up your videos and you keep making more and more and more, you've got more and more links that are driving traffic. So everything just compounds. So in the very beginning, you might not be making a whole lot of money, but if you keep at it, then it keeps growing and it keeps growing and it keeps growing. And another reason why I like it is because so many people have heard about it. You guys have probably heard creators saying, go click my link. So many people have heard about it that I don't even mention it anymore. They'll see a product in my video and they'll ask me for a link. That blows my mind. So if you start now, start making videos about whatever you're passionate about, start dropping links in there and build you up a library of content, then you'll have an income stream that lasts well into retirement. I hope that helps. We've got plenty more videos coming that's going to help people over 50 take advantage of the internet and create revenue streams that are going to last us well into retirement. We'll catch you next time.